We are delighted to present you the RESINDUSTRY project and its best practices of renewable energy use in industry identified in Finland. Let me start with some general information on RESINDUSTRY. It is an Interreg Europe co-funded project on the topic of low-carbon economy. The RESINDUSTRY partnership is based on cooperation between 7 regions. Our partners represent universities, energy agencies and public authorities. RESINDUSTRY aims to increase the energy independency of the EU industry by boosting the integration of renewables. Why? In order to increase industry competitiveness by decreasing its energy bill and to raise their energy independency by uncoupling energy costs from geopolitical externalities. How we want to achieve that? By introducing better regional policies on renewable energy to stimulate funding and investments in renewables in industry. Let's have a look at our planned activities and outputs. First, we started with market analysis in all project partner regions, and currently we are working on the regional assessments. We identified altogether 67 good practices in all partner regions, and out of them we selected the best 14 best practices of renewable energy utilization in industry, which we shared with our partners and their stakeholders. And through organizing various policy learning events, we aim to increase participants' capacity that will lead into designing action plans to boost the application of renewables in industry in all partner regions. Through the interregional cooperation and by sharing good practices, we can learn from other regions what they are doing, identify good practices that could be adopted in our region and may inspire us for new ideas to improve regional policies.
In RESINDUSTRY, we identified 10 good practices of renewable energy use in industry from the region of Päijät-Häme. Kymmijärvi 3 biomass heating plant, Fazer biomass heating in food industry, ST1 ethanolics, biofuel production from food industry residues, Halton geothermal heating of factory using heat pumps, Hämeenmaan kiinteistöt, solar power plants integrate efficiently with commercial real estate, K-Group concept for carbon neutral grocery store, Labio heat production from biogas plant composting, Stora Enso Heinola fluting mill, biogas from wastewater treatment as replacement for fossil support fuels in biomass burning, Suursavon Sähkö hybrid solar thermal and air heat pump system for district heating, Polttimo biomass boiler for efficient drying process. Of these 10 Finnish good practices, 4 were chosen as best practices by all project partners voting. Fazer is a famous Finnish confectionery and bakery company. In the city of Lahti they have a complex consisting of large mill and bakery and a new xylitol sweetener factory. All the process heat for the complex will be provided by burning the oat hull waste from the production of the xylitol, heating the bakery ovens and all the facility buildings with excess heat going to heat the city of Lahti as well. Labio is a large composting plant in the city of Lahti, which has replaced the need for landfilling of biowaste in the surrounding area. From this biowaste is produced biogas, which is purified and added to the local gas grid. Composting of the waste produces heat, which is captured by the facility using heat pumps and is used for heating the biogas production process. Suursavon Sähkö is a local energy company in eastern Finland. They have a large biomass plant providing heat. Due to its size, it cannot be run in summertime when the heat demand is low, as it cannot run small enough partial load. For this, a novel technology solution, a hybrid solar, thermal and air heat pump system that captures heat using panels and uses them as a heat source for a modern high-temperature heat pump to produce district heating. A hybrid system is not reliant on sunlight alone and can so run regardless of conditions. Final on our list is another heat pump system. Halton Marine's factory in Lahti, producing HVAC systems for ships, has switched from natural gas due to rising prices to using ground heat pumps for heating and cooling, one system serving both purposes. This concludes our good practices. Next step in RES industry is regional analysis into the current state of renewable energy production in the region and future prospects. As part of this, we have already moved into cataloging regional power and heating plants. There is currently no wind power in Päijät-Häme, but there are 2 unfinished wind power projects. Hydropower is insignificant with several dams under 1 MW. Solar power is more relevant. Of Finland's total capacity of approximately 200 MW, estimated 10 MW is located in Päijät-Häme, based on figures from electrical grid companies and large rooftop solar installations. For biomass burning plants, there is total of 250 MW in the region, including large ones like Kymijärvi 3 and Kymijärvi 2 co-firing waste burning plant, as well as numerous small ones supplying industrial heat demand. The region has been coal-free since 1st of April 2020. Biomass burned is mostly waste wood consisting of tree bark and forestry residue, as well as sawdust. Biomass use is therefore on good footing, not wasting quality wood, but rather utilizing industrial side streams. In addition to these solid biomass fuels, there is some consumption of side products of pulp making. This concludes our preliminary look into the regional analysis. Thank you all for watching.
Would you like to learn more about RES industry? Go to our website and subscribe to our newsletter. Please follow us on social media.